Hi, welcome to the ASP.NET Webform and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. Today in this video, I would like to show you how to implement the feature to display the related news for the new detail. Okay, so for example, when you are on the home page here, you click on the view detail of this news. And at this time, we are only able to see the content detail of the selected news. And now I want to implement a module to display the related news at the end of this page here. Okay, so it should be the same thing when we did for the product. Okay, so click on this one here. We have a related product here. So now I will do the same thing for news. Okay, let's get started now. I will open the Visual Studio. Okay, I will open the user news data access layer, new logic, and the new detail. Okay, I will work on this one first. I will open the product to copy product related copy. Okay, no need news news. Comment. Okay, so for the new, I will get the random data for this. I will have the okay GUI IT dot new GUI. Okay, so meaning when we do the view detail for any news, so we will get 5 record of news in randomly. Okay, copy it. Okay, had been done for new logic and new data asset layer. So now open new details. Mm, Okay, I will open mm, product detail. Yeah, okay, copy it. Should be the same. New detail. Mhm. Okay, so now I will go ahead to create a user control for related news. Okay, I will open the related product and see what we can review. Copy, copy on first. Mm, delete this. Okay, I will open the user control in Reddit file news. Copy it. Okay, paste it here. Okay, should ID. Okay, close this. Okay, done for now. And I will open the code behind of this one. Copy it. With name. Okay. New. Okay, so we update the code for get related new here. I will okay open EID. Okay, the query string EID. I will do the filtering here. Mm, delete. set layer dot model dot news. It should be news for new string new ID equal dot query string ID. Okay. If okay. Okay, so it seems fine for now. Let's go ahead to build the solution. I will open the browser and back to home page. Select this one. Oh no, I have to use the user control and new detail. We have to reuse its news. Okay, build the project again. Yeah. So now you can see at the end of the zip page, it is displaying the related section for news. Okay, so now I will try to refresh this page, and because for now we are getting the data by randomly here. So now to test it, I will refresh this one. So after I do refresh this, so we will display the new another list of new here, and I mean the order will be changed. Okay, cool. Okay, click on this one to view. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to implement the feature to display the related news section for just for new detail when you are viewing any news in the system. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.